Tracking COVID. Maryland adds almost 1,500 new infections as hospitalizations drop slightly. This comes as the statewide positivity rate holds steady at 5.4%. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. Maryland has recorded more than 1,000 new cases a day for the past 5 days, and the state is racing to vaccinate people as quickly as possible. Tomorrow, more Marylanders will be able to get the shot in more places. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live at the Convention Center vaccination site to explain. Mike.
Max, when the governor expanded eligibility last week, those people could only go to mass vaccination sites like this one. Soon they'll be able to go wherever they want. Governor Hogan says more than 48% of all adults in the state have received at least one shot. About 23% of everyone in the state is fully vaccinated. Any Marylander 16 and older can get the vaccine at any provider starting Monday. Younger Marylanders had been limited to mass vaccination sites only.
I'm happy to see that eligibility will be expanding and hopefully access will also be expanding.
Those 16 and 17 are only authorized to get Pfizer. Pfizer is asking the federal government to approve vaccines for children as young as 12.
We need them to get the benefit of the vaccine, but also it will help us to reach herd immunity a lot faster if we don't just have to rely on adults all to be vaccinated.
Maryland's health secretary would still like to see most in the state vaccinated by the end of May.
So the governor's made it very clear to us he wants 100,000 shots a day, and we're building that infrastructure to handle that when we get the shots. And he wants to be back to normal by Memorial Day.
The hitch in the plan is the reduction in Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Millions of doses made at the Emergent plan in Baltimore still can't be used after a mix-up last month ruined doses and delayed federal approval of anything produced at the plant, leaving Maryland 250,000 doses short for the rest of the month.
That's really difficult when you're got 3,000 points of distribution, all counting on more doses.
Another worry, according to the CDC, 20% of the new cases in Maryland are now the more contagious UK variant.
There's obviously a lot of pandemic fatigue out there. People are, spring is here. People want to go enjoy outdoor activities. They want to go back to the things that they like to do in the spring, and I think we're seeing a rise in cases in younger demographics.
Now, here in Baltimore City, new infections are up 168% over the past 4 weeks. And starting next week, there are going to be 2 new mass vaccination sites opening in the state, one at Frederick Community College and the other at the Navy Marine Corps Memorial Stadium in Annapolis. We're live at the Convention Center. Mike Helgren, WJZ.